all. Now let's see sixth problem under partial derivatives. If f of x comma y is equal to x square sin y plus y square cos x, find fxx, fyy, fxy, fyx. So everything are second order partial derivatives. For that you need to find first order partial derivatives first, then you can find the second order partial derivatives from those first order partial derivatives. Solution: f of x comma y is equal to x square sin y plus y square cos x. To find fxx, you need to find fx first. So what is fx? Fx is dou f by dou x. So you have to differentiate this f value with respect to x. So dou by dou x of x square sin y plus y square cos x. In first term, you have sin y as the constant term because you are differentiating partially with respect to x. So sin y will be the same. Now x square, when you differentiate that with respect to x, you get 2x. So 2x sin y plus second term, y square will be the constant. So y square will be as such, and when you differentiate cos x with respect to x, you will be getting minus sin x. Now you can write this as 2x sin y minus y square sin x. Next let's find fxx. What is fxx? Dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So dou by dou x of, instead of dou f by dou x, we have 2x sin y minus y square sin x. Now differentiating this partially with respect to x. So see the first term, in that sin y will be the constant term. When you differentiate 2x with respect to x, you get 2. So 2 into sin y. In second term, y square will be the constant, and sin x, when differentiated partially with respect to x, gives cos x. You have a minus sign, so minus y square cos x. Next we need fyy. For that you find fy first. Fy is equal to dou f by dou y, which is equal to dou by dou y of, instead of f we have x square sin y plus y square cos x. Now in first term we have x square into sin y. We are differentiating partially with respect to y. So x square will be the constant, keep it as such. Sin y, when differentiated partially with respect to y, you will be getting it as cos y. So this becomes x square cos y. And what happens to this term? Here cos x will be the constant term. It will be as such. Y square, when differentiated with respect to y, gives 2y. So you will be getting it as plus 2y cos x. Now we need fyy. Fyy is dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, which is equal to dou by dou y of, instead of dou f by dou y, we have x square cos y plus 2y cos x. Now differentiating the first term with respect to y. So x square will be the constant term, keep it as such. Cos y, when differentiated partially with respect to y, gives minus sin y. So minus x square sin y. Considering the second term, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, x term will be the constant. So 2 cos x will be the constant terms, and y, when differentiated with respect to y, is 1. So you will be getting it as 2 cos x. Now we found fxx and fyy. Next we need fxy. fxy can be written as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. So which is equal to dou by dou x of, instead of dou f by dou y, we have x square cos y plus 2y cos x. Now differentiating this with respect to x, cos y will be the constant here. X square when differentiated gives 2x. So 2x cos y. What happens to the second term? In second term 2y will be the constant. Cos x when differentiated with respect to x is minus sin x. So minus 2y sin x. Next we need fyx. Fyx can be written as dou by dou y of dou f by dou x, which is equal to dou by dou y of, instead of dou f by dou x, we have 2x sin y minus y square sin x, which is equal to, in first term 2x will be the constant since you are differentiating with respect to y. So 2x will be the same. Sin y when you differentiate with respect to y gives cos y. In second term sin x will be the constant value. Y square when differentiated with respect to y gives 2y. So minus 2y sin x. So you can see fxy and fyx will be the same. You'll be getting the same values for both. So fxy is equal to fyx always.